When you hear me good, it's a different team I start with today again, you know. And if you don't like it better, I'm going to try it for you Reggae girls or so. What's so hard to understand? When you stop it short past them, I want the ball and move along from defense to forward and keep the ball in the ear. The ball not touch the ground. Paul, watch ya. You know see we score? Me not impressed. Our station is a compound, because I not trust on you, you know. Me hear this bag of talk about me not like this ball and that ball and Asted and Comfort. You know how long we need to bring that slavery? You know how long we need that slavery? Them a go face some other pain and them don't even burn out here. Yeah, Paul, me send the list, you get it? You know matter if him injured and me I run that ship here. I could have Ronaldo or Messi them send come. Him I come off a bench. You better forget one draw than one victory. That's what I see it right now. Bench. But your name don't even sound like you come from Jamaica. What's that? Nothing on my team. Come on, man. You see if I make one more shot pass, me I sub you.
Coach, what would you say to those who think you have a particular obsession with a certain central defender?
Me not have no obsession, you know. But everybody feel like so them know football and how football to play. And them know the strategy, you know. If I one thing me know about life in general, if you want to clog something, put something big in the space. Right? You know me I clog up the midfield lane. You ready to see more, coach? Yeah, tappa coach. Me need the help, coach. Cause right now me don't know man. Midfield. Bibi! You see, I want to play and I look good, man. I look good. Just a pity me not name a bag on in our squad.
Coach, when are we going to work on like some game strategy and tactics?
Game strategy and tactics? You that must be one of the English baller, you know. And just love broke vibes. Is that you go join the man in the karaoke? Are you guy here? Yeah, babes, you see me win the match today. Win the match today, man. You see thing lucky in here now. Well, pad lucky in, man. Me not going away, babes. Babes, at 2026, me still there.
Bench. No, there are many who are calling for your resignation. What do you think about this, coach?
Me hear the talk, man. Me hear the talk about tappa out and tappa this and tappa that. It's an ungrateful bunch. Just because I want done that campaign, yeah. Because right now, man, you are calling me, you know. Paul, you say, look at me, shall they get the glasses for true? We shall get the glasses for true, man. Because right now, it's like me not see nothing.
No, I know you must know that you have many critics both on YouTube and other social media platforms. What would you say
yeah,
to
man,
them?
me say the whole of them, man. Because who have them guna? Them are IMAX and who are IMAX are them desk and who have them desk are them commentary. And who have them commentary are stream. Everybody feel like them know football. But you can't take a job, no? Come take it if you're no bad, man. Feel like you know just come take a job from me. Come take it, no? Come take it if you're no bad.